The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is anticipated to bring several groundbreaking advancements when it launches in early 2026. One of its most exciting rumored features is the integration of an under-display front-facing camera, eliminating the traditional hole-punch design and providing a truly uninterrupted display experience. This technology has been used in Samsung's foldable lineup and may now make its way to their flagship series. Additionally, the S26 Ultra is expected to feature a brighter and more efficient display, thanks to advancements in screen technology that enhance light transmittance while reducing screen thickness. On the photography front, reports suggest that the phone could include a 200MP periscope telephoto lens, significantly improving zoom and image quality. Another key development is the potential use of silicon-carbon batteries, which could offer higher energy density, improved safety, and faster charging times compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. These rumored innovations indicate that Samsung is continuing to push the boundaries of smartphone technology, making the Galaxy S26 Ultra one of the most anticipated releases in the coming years.